Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. This is going to be an unboxing video, and this time it is January's edition of Glossybox. So as always, if you're new to Glossybox and you want to find out a little bit more about the subscription, what you get, how much it costs, etc., then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you'd just rather skip forward to seeing the contents, I will add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward to seeing what I got in January's box. Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box, and it costs £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging. Now this box is only available within the UK, but they do have Glossybox US, and I think there's other Glossyboxes around the world as well. I might be wrong, but please tell me if there are other Glossyboxes around the world. Please let me know down below, because I'd love to know so I can pass on information to subscribers that ask me. So you can cancel any time. They offer a monthly subscription, which is £13.25, or you can opt for 3, 6 and 12 months, and that will bring down the cost by a little bit as well. So inside you get a mix of beauty items, skincare, makeup, accessories. Sometimes we've had sweets as well, and the value usually way outweighs the actual cost of the box. The Glossybox is one of my favourite subscription boxes. It's one of the longest running subscription boxes I've got. I think it's coming up to nearly 2 years, 2 years next month maybe, I think. I can't remember now, it's been a while. And yeah, it's a box that I'm going to continue getting. Some months are better than others, what you'd expect with a subscription box. Yeah, and sometimes we do get the odd repeat or two, which if you are a newbie to subscription boxes, that won't matter. But if, like myself, you get a couple of subscription boxes, then you might see repeats through different subscription boxes out there, which is to be expected, I suppose. But thankfully we don't get that many, not with Glossybox anyway. So everything related to the subscription box, the website, the content, and a refer a friend link. I've got a 20% off code. I will link that down below. So click on the show more, and that will bring up my description, and all information will be down there. So you're welcome to take a look afterwards if you're interested. So I think that's it really. I'm trying to think now if I missed anything out. I don't think so. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. I'll put this to the side of me. This is the leaflet. It's got all the information related to the beauty products, plus it's got a sneak peek for next month, which I'll show you in a little while. But I don't want to see the contents, because even though I sort of have an idea of what's inside, I don't know 100%, so I want it to be a little bit of a surprise for me. I'll show you first. Woo! There you go. So I put this down to the side of me, pick an item up, show you, and then refer back to the little card and tell you a little bit more about it. So going back to this card then, what's it say here? Happy New Year, Glossies. Out with the old and in with the new. We know you've heard it all before, but we're here to help you make some serious beauty goals that we can all stick to. We're kicking off the new year with an edit of products that'll make keeping our beauty resolutions easy. And then it goes on to telling you what is inside the box. And then we've got a sneak peek for February, and it's a Huda beauty item. Oh, I like Huda Beauty. We had a lipstick, a liquid lipstick off them, I think it's about 2 or 3 months ago, and it's got, hold on, I'll show you now. There it is. We had that in a Glossybox a couple of months ago, and I love it. Love it. But it's a lip pencil. We're getting flirty this February with a fabulous lip contour pencil with £16. We're bringing you 2 romantic shades, Flirt and Venus. Which one will you receive? So one looks like a browny red colour, and the other one looks more like a rusty red colour. So up the top there. So that's our sneak peek for February. So there you go. It's exciting. I do like Huda Beauty. So I'll put that down to the side of me and I'll refer to it as we go along. So the first item, it's the expensive product, and it's by Avant. And what is it? I forgot what it was now. It's a night cream. It's a deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night cream, and this is 50 mils. And it's got shea butter, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B12, seawater, and sweet almond. So that's what that looks like there. Ooh. So it's a nice size night cream. So what's the information say? So this is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price for this is £98. That's just bonkers, isn't it? £98. Oh, I really hope it works. So what's it say here? All those late December nights call for a skincare saviour, and we've got the perfect solution. This delightful full-size anti-aging moisturiser is formulated with a deeply hydrating wonder ingredient, hyaluronic acid. It will rejuvenate tired eyes, promote an even skin tone, and minimise the appearance of fine lines and pesky pores. It also has a gorgeous fresh scent and instantly smooths the skin without adding shine. Ooh, okay, let's try it on my hand then. Oh, it smells nice. Nice and fresh. I don't like powerful, over-scented, fragranced skincare. It's just, no, I don't like it at all. So I love nice, natural smelling fresh products. That's lovely. That's lovely. I'm not going to use too much of it because I want it to last. 98 quid. It's not like I'm going to be going out there and getting another one anytime soon, unless, I don't know, I wake up with a face like a baby's bum. Doubt it, but oh my gosh, no, I'm chuffed to that. Really chuffed, really chuffed. Oh, what's this? Something is wet. Oh no! Is it this? Ah, shit! Sorry, language. Oh my god, oh my god! Did you... I'm not sure if that came up on camera then. Oh, oh no, can you see there's a little slit at the top there? Ooh, I don't want to squeeze it. I squeezed it and it just came out. Oh, what a shame. What a shame. I'm just going to look at the rest of the items. Yeah, it's just in the corner of my box. Oh no. Oh no. It smells really nice. What is it? What is it? It's a facial micro loofah foaming gel. Oh, hopefully only a little bit have come out. Maybe I can decant that. I'm not sure, but that's what it is. I don't know what the brand is. Is it just the numbers? 417 or minus 417. But yeah, it's got a little slit there. Glossybox have been really good in the past though, when I've had, what have I had? I've had something that was only half full and they sent me out another one instead. So I know if I was to message them, hopefully that they'll send me out another one. Hopefully they will anyway. But oh, that sounds really good. That sounds really, really nice. A foaming, facial foaming gel. So what does it say about it then? So this is it's a deluxe mini and it's 100 mils. The recommended retail price for this is £13.31 and it says, add this refreshing foaming gel cleanser into your beauty regime. Simply work the gel into damp skin in circular motions to gently exfoliate and remove your makeup. Formulated with minerals from the Dead Sea, typical of minus 417 products. Rare plant extracts and vitamins. Its invigorating formula will leave your skin feeling clean, soft and fresh. Now that sounds wonderful. I'm gutted about that. Where is it? I don't want to squeeze it anymore just in case it comes out again. Gutted, 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 but only a little bit came out, so I don't know. Hopefully I can use the rest of it okay. But no, so that's the second product anyway. So on to the next one. It's a hair mask and it's bamboo oil and it's strengthening deep conditioner and 50 ml. Reinforces and nourishes all hair types. So I think I've had one of these before in a pink parcel maybe. I do recognise the brand, I do recognise it. Maybe a reddish one? I can't remember now, but I love a hair mask. But not ones that strip your colour, because I've had a few of them in the past as well. It looks like we'll be getting one of 4 of these masks. I'll just show you what you will be getting. I think I've had that one before, and I can't remember if I've tried it or not, or whether it's downstairs in my little box of hair masks. I can't remember. Okay, but I do recognise it. So for one of these masks it'll cost you £2.49. These deeply nourishing treatments infused with argan oil, keratin protein, Kalahari melon oil, oh that sounds nice, or bamboo extracts will repair, soften, smooth and strengthen your hair. The clever formulas infuse your hair cuticles with hydration for nourished shiny tresses. Simply massage a generous amount into your hair, focus on damaged areas, relax for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse. Oh, do you know what I might use that for actually? My fake hair. I've got, I use a lot of hair extensions or halo hair piece. I've actually got my halo in now. It's only a little thing that I put on top of my head and I pull my own hair over the top of it, but it just thickens at the bottom of my hair because my hair's quite thin. But it's about 3-4 years old, 3 years old maybe. And it's in need of a good hair treatment because it's real hair and I dye it and it, you know, has hairspray and stuff in it, so I think a nice hair mask would be good. So yeah, no, I might try that on that hair and put a little bit on mine as well because there's quite a lot in there. So no, so that's the third item anyway. So oh, I remember this now, Maybelline, and it's a cream dream blender, new dream blender foundation blending sponge, seamless application and smooth coverage. So that's what that looks like there. I'll just get it out the packaging because my ring light reflects, doesn't it, on it, and you can't see it properly. It looks really cute, like a little mushroom. Yeah, that's quite nice. Don't know what it would be like. Feels quite hard, but would you do it as you normally would, where you would wet it down first? I'm not sure. Yeah, it's saying here, just use it like you can do it all over your face, or you can put it under your eyes. That's where I would do it. I would do it for like concealer, maybe for underneath my eyes and in between my nose areas and my chin, things like that. I think I would be gone forever if I did my whole face with foundation with that, because I like to have a big sponge and splat it all over my face that way. That sounds horrific, honestly. It's not, it looks all right afterwards, so no, I think it's more suitable for concealer for me, I think, anyway. But it'd be interesting to try it. Haven't tried anything like that. So what's it say here? So this is a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £4.99. This latex-free foundation blending sponge delivers even coverage and a smooth finish. Simply use the sides or the sponge to blend your foundation in circular motions across your cheeks and in an outward direction on your forehead, nose and chin. Use the tip for greater precision around your nose and under your eyes. Yeah, so that's our fourth item. And then the last item, hold on, it's a pencil, but yeah. I just got a little wet patch just in the corner there. Not much, thankfully not much damage, which is good. But the last item is a pencil, and this is a Ciati Wonder Wand, and this is a gel kohl liner, and that's what it looks like there. I think we had this in one of the limited edition boxes with Glossybox. Maybe it was the Black Friday deal one. I can't remember now. I think so anyway. I know I've had it in the last couple of months and I can't open it. Hold on. So the packaging is super cool with little stars and stuff. So we've got one end, which is just a black kohl pencil. See there? We got the other end, which is like a liquid eyeliner, but I would use that for smudging the lines. Also, it's not a full-size item, it's a deluxe mini, and the deluxe mini size is worth £9. This precision eyeliner will change up your eye makeup this January. It combines the blendability of a kohl pencil with the intense high coverage pigment of a gel. Simply glide the pencil directly onto your lash line for a precise look, or smudge it out using the inbuilt blender brush for an on-trend smoky look. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to top them all up and then I'll come back to you. So these are all the items inside this month's Glossybox. We've got a hair mask, we've got a foundation sponge, we've got some foaming facial gel, we've got a night cream, and we've got a gel kohl type eyeliner down there. The whole lot comes to around £128, around £120 plus. Anyway, I need to do my maths a little bit better, but I will have it down in my description once I've finished editing. But yeah, whoa, I think obviously it's this night cream that has obviously bumped up the price there. Without that, you're looking at about £30 worth of products, but still, you know, it's still good value for money considering the box is only £10 and with £3.25 postage and packaging. Yeah, I think it's an okay box. I think it's quite nice. Not so excited about this sponge, but I'm interested. So I am curious to see what it is like, but I'm going to use it more for concealer. But you never know, you might well see me doing a makeup tutorial, applying foundation with this sponge in the future. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, I am going to use this mask. I'm going to leave it out now, and I'm actually going to do it on my fake hair, maybe later on or tomorrow morning. So I'm definitely going to use that up. This gel pencil, I've already got one, so I'll put it in a box for later, so I'll use that another time because I do quite like it. I can't wait to try these two. It's unfortunate that this was damaged and some has come out, but I really can't wait to try it, see what it's like, and this night cream as well. I'm really excited to see what that is like. So yeah, overall I think this box is not too bad. I love the colour coordination as well. Quite similar colours going on there. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you had this box? What do you think of it? Do you think it's a good box? Obviously it's value for money, there's no denying that, but is it products that interest you? Is it products that excite you? Are they relevant to you? Yeah, I keep on looking at that I'll message Glossybox and see what they say about it. But yeah, I do receive PR boxes from Glossybox, and I think I've got one coming along. As I said, I still get my subscription. I still pay for this box. The box I unboxed today is my paid forward one. So when I receive my PR box, I will keep that to the side, and I'm going to save them up and do a big giveaway in a couple of months' time. So yeah, so that should be here in the next couple of days, hopefully. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and I'll speak to you again. Take care. Bye bye.